Autophagy is where, you have lots of cells in your body. There are some cells which start to die after 120 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So when your body actually gets rid of those cells, what is that material which is used to make those cells? Is protein. So
Right.
what it does is that it starts to get rid of the old cells and starts to make its own protein through that.
Yeah.
That's called autophagy, which is where you are using the dead cells of your body, which is basically a waste material, and converting into protein and putting it back in
So
your
your
body.
body makes its own protein as well on top of that.
Exactly. So then
Okay.
if you keep putting protein in your body,
Yeah.
your body will not go into autophagy. And that is where it increases the IGF, and then it increases the mTOR, and then it starts increasing the cellular growth, and then it leads to tumors because there's like just too much cells multiplying.
That's really
So that's like the long-term thing. So young girls probably and young population is probably not understanding it because their bodies are still quite young and robust and has a lot of vitality. So you will not see the results of autophagy right now, but it starts to hit you in 40s and 50s when you are just having too much protein, and then at this, you are not kicking in the autophagy, and then that basically starts to give you more cancerous growth or inflammation and things like that.
Yeah.
So over a period of time, this will increase your inflammation, it will increase your insulin, it'll basically create more problems than good.